We're in Angkor Wat. Look at this. It's absolutely fantastic. There is one thing you have to get yourself prepared for, and that's all these blokes touting you, trying to get you to buy stuff or services or whatever. I could do with some new sunglasses because I've gone and sat on my old ones. So I'm squinting a bit. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. I'm having trouble with my laptop. It won't connect to the internet, so these videos will probably not get on for a while. And also I still haven't grasped how to edit yet. So again, apologies if they're a bit too long and a bit boring. I've met some very interesting people while I've been here as well. Very friendly. Everybody's friendly, smiling. It's absolutely, it's just mind-blowing. It's incredible. Yeah, I would definitely recommend coming to Cambodia. It's certainly an experience you'll not forget. I won't forget it. Oh dear, I love it. Absolutely love it. Don't know what's going off over there. There might be a bit of entertainment. That'd be good. I'd love to give you some facts about this place, but unfortunately, you may be even pleased to hear I ain't got any. I don't know what's going off over there, but it looks quite interesting, so we'll just have a walk over here and see what they're about. Apparently it's some kind of holy day today and you've got to be dressed appropriately. Morning. Looks like TV maybe, I don't know. That's another thing. The incense smell is most places you go in Cambodia, but I guess a lot of people probably know that anyway. That's just things I'm noticing. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Don't know if you heard that, people saying it's very hot, and it is very hot. You need lots of water, which I have. Excuse me, thank you. It's amazing, it was actually raining this morning. Had a bit of a downpour. Apparently, I thought I was just paying for Angkor Wat. There's about another 3 temples, I don't know if I can do it. I've been having a bit of trouble with my SIM card on the GoPro, and it's happened each time I've gone through security at the airport, and there's an error come up on my card. So I'm just thinking it might be the X-ray machines, so I'll have to remember that and take my card out before I go through. But it would be rather unfortunate if I lost this video. Look at this tree. You can see that like bamboo going up. That's what they use to climb it, to get the coconuts off. So a little bit of information that I picked up. Bet you're all impressed. God, it's fantastic. It's absolutely brilliant. Oh look, I can go on a horse. It's like being at the seaside, isn't it? Horses, although it was donkeys, wasn't it? So I want you all to jump on a plane and come over to Siem Reap in Cambodia. You'll not be disappointed, that is for sure. There's so much to see and do. You couldn't see it and do it in the time you'd probably have allotted. This place is absolutely massive. There's a clearer pole, look. When they go up, they're like monkeys. They absolutely shoot up these poles.